Once the water supply to the Flomax toilet has been turned off, start by depressing the pedal as if you were flushing the toilet. Wearing gloves, reach into the toilet and pull out the existing flush ball seal and safely discard. Use a paper towel and an approved cleaner to clean the flush ball seal area. Next, take a new flush ball seal, flat side down, and install into the lip immediately under the bowl. Take special care to make sure that the flush ball seal does not fall into the tank. Once the seal has been replaced, turn the water back on and perform a flush test to make sure Flomax will hold water.